If coughing, sneezing, or bearing down as if using the bathroom make your symptoms worse, this could be because those actions are adding a sudden and dramatic increase in pressure on the intervertebral discs in your neck. Common causes of cervical disc dysfunction include a history of traumatic injury, such as a car accident, playing American football, or a slip and fall. If left untreated, these discs have the potential of compressing one of the nerves that leave your neck, leading to a cervical radiculopathy, which I've talked about in previous videos. Chiropractors like myself specialize in identifying and treating musculoskeletal and neuromuscular disorders just like this one, and do so on a daily basis in natural and non-invasive ways. Keep in mind, just because you have one or more of these signs or symptoms doesn't mean you have this diagnosis. A full and proper exam would narrow down and or confirm which diagnosis or diagnoses you have.